Hi, Beyond the Blue RC, and today I've got an unboxing, and it is the Traxxas 4tec 3.0. And of course, it's a Chevy Corvette Stingray. So that's the front of the box. Heavier than I thought it would be. It's the side. It kind of shows the chassis off. And this kind of shows some details of the vehicle on that side. Here's the either the top or the bottom, I don't know. One or the other. Of course, this is the red one. I was going to get the blue, but they didn't have it in stock, and it's okay. I actually think I like the red better. It's going to be a lot easier to see when it's going down the road. My eyes are not the best. There we go. That's the top or the bottom. I don't know. I guess that's the top, maybe. And this over. You can see this better. Alright, so that's the bottom of the box. So got some basically showing you need a charger and a battery and all that good stuff. So yeah, it's telling you what's in the box. So you get the car, the XL5 brushed system with a Titan 12-turn brushed motor. Of course, you get the bare bones Traxxas 2.4 gigahertz. It's not the TQI, it's just the TQ. Looks like you get an extra pinion, probably the speed pinion, and of course some basic hexes and a wheel nut wrench. So yeah, typical. I mean, you're going to need 4 AA's for your transmitter. You're going to need a charger, which I have. You're going to need either nickel metal or LiPo. I've got batteries, so I'm not worried about that. So let's get into this box. There we go. That really should be it. Should be able to get this out now, no problem. Looks like I opened it. Where the transmitter's at, so that's the transmitter. That's kind of handy. Got a nice little handle. Just pull this out, I think. There we go. Oh, I liked it up. There's no foam. This is all cardboard. I like that a lot better. Wow, this is sharp. This is a good looking vehicle. Let's just put this out of the way for a second. There. So your vehicle comes very well packaged. Nice handle, pull it out. I'm glad I opened the right side because that's the side with the handle. And that side is not. So this is just luck, quite frankly. Alright. Let's see what we got going on here. We have manual and some spare parts and tools and a pinion. There. We'll open that up in a minute. Let's get the transmitter out. I do need a new transmitter. I've just been going with the stock transmitters. this is very variable. It'll work for now, but I'm not a fan of these. There's no adjustability hardly. I don't think there's I'm not sure how much adjustability there is. I don't believe there's much, if any, to that transmitter. So if I go brushless with this thing, it's going to be a handful. That's for sure. So this is my my old transmitter. I really haven't bought a computer transmitter since I bought this one. This is the Spectrum 3.0. DX 3.0. It's a good transmitter. The range is just okay, but it feels nice. It's heavy compared to these newer transmitters, but yeah, I'm due for a new one. That's for sure. Dug that out of storage the other day. I was like, ooh, totally forgot I had that thing. It's bound to my Traxxas Slayer, which is a nitro wrench. It's an engine rebuild, so really, you know what I might need some diagonal cutters to get through that. I should probably go get those. I should probably go get those. Let's get this out of the box, shall we? That's one. Just pretty much just assuming lift out. Yep, pretty much lift out. Alright. Nice cellophane wrap on here. Let's get that off. Definitely well wrapped. The body is very well protected in shipping, that's for sure. Yeah. Come on. There we go. Once you get it started, it's not so bad. Love that noise. Nothing like unboxing a new RC. Steel details are quite nice. Look at that. Yep, glad I went with the red one. That is beautiful. Nice metal flake in the paint. I don't know if you can really... I think, yeah, it picks it up quite nicely actually. Nice molded engine. And there you see through the rear window there. I've wanted this car for a while. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is nice. Let's get a nice view of the front end, why don't we? There we go. Wow. Underneath the chassis, or the chassis, bottom of the chassis. Put the zip ties out. There we go. This one there. Got it wrapped around the. There we go. It's wrapped around the steering assembly there. There we go. That's better. Get that out of the way. Yep. Typical 4tec chassis. electric 4tec chassis. Now this has a clipless body, so there's no body clips. Yay! I like that. Right, so you have a release. Come here. Alright, so you got a release right here, lever. And then you have a release. This rear shock tower is, or body mount, I mean. Not shock tower, body mount. So, although the shock tower kind of, it's all kind of molded in one piece there. Looks like. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, so let's, I wish these were not only gripe I have so far, and it's not really that big a deal, but where's those wipers, wiper blades? I wish that wasn't like a part of the sticker. I wish those were molded plastic details, but it's small gripe. Let's get this body off here. Start with the front, here maybe. There we go, got the front released. Let's release the back. There we go. It's not too bad. Oh, that's some of the, definitely some of the weight there. All right. There you go. Get rid of that. That system is probably going to come out. Well, probably. It's definitely coming out. Nice metal center drive shaft. Very nice. Plastic shocks. Probably will be upgrading them, but they'll do for now. Plastic turnbuckles, plastic steering linkages. It's like a 2075 steering servo. It's pretty standard Traxxas fare. Yep. All plastic linkages, which I'm gonna upgrade at some point. That's the chassis. There's the brushed motor that's coming out, and the brushed ESC, which is also coming out. Because I have, well, one thing, got the light kit that's going to go in this. That's going in that body there. And the brush system is coming out, and we're putting in a VXL brushless system. I was going to go with something else, but $169. That's what I pay for at my local hobby shop. This is their combo pack here, and I was looking at some other systems, and they were 200 plus, and this is going to bolt in. Going to directly bolt in, which I like. So we're going to go with, I'm going to stick with Traxxas here. So yeah, this is a very nice ride. Suspension feels nice. It looks like with it compressed, it doesn't bottom out, so that's a good thing, of course. Yeah, that's a good thing. Pretty large battery tray. Of course, this foam piece comes out. So I got the long That's a long packs. But when I put the brushless system, I'm going to probably run this on 3S anyway, so I don't know if I'm going to run this on 2S. I do have a couple 2S packs that I originally got from my e-Revo that don't really get used much. I might use one of those in this, maybe. This foam is kind of stuck in there though. So I'm not going to mess with that right now. But there's definitely going to be some upgrading to this car. Right now it's all plastic. This is, which is okay. There's nothing wrong with that. And what we got going on back here? Drive shafts look like they are these metal. It's like the yeah, metal drive shafts. That's nice. I'm glad they're stock. The drive cups that go from the diff to the drive shaft, those are plastic. But the drive cups that go from the wheels to the drive shaft, those are metal. I wonder why they want plastic drive shafts or plastic drive cups into the diffs. It's weird. Interesting. Got some scale calipers inside the wheels. Let's see if I can. I guess I can show it that way. There you go. Yeah. Very cool. Very cool. Like it. I like it. Yes, I do. This body on real quick. See how easy this pops back on. Get all my my wrap off there. Yeah, I got all the wrapping off there. So this should just kind of snap. Yep, that's that easy. Wow. There we go. All right. Real quick here. Let's just go through what's in this baggie here. Standard Traxxas stuff though. So you got some clips for your shocks, and then some pistons, rings for, you know, to adjust your shocks if you want to. Some other, it's for your shocks basically. We got looks like an optional pinion. So the included high-speed gearing is intended for high-speed running on hard surfaces, and this gearing is not recommended for repetitive. So this is the high-speed gearing, maybe? I don't know. Not sure. We got some more stuff for your shocks. Manual. Your warranty card, I bet what this is. Yep, warranty registration. All the different chargers, battery chargers that Traxxas offers. That's the TQI, which I wish they would include in this kit. It's not the kit, but in this vehicle. It's ready to run vehicle. You really should include the TQI in this. 300 and something, they really should. Alright. So your manual. So I'll just flip through this real quick. telling you basic stuff here. Model overview, how to take the battery, how to take the body off, how to install the battery and transmitter, talking about Traxxas lipos and what lipos are used in this car that would fit, which I already have those batteries. Turning on your model, transmitter adjustments, you got steering trim, using a lipo battery. I'm getting rid of that system altogether, not worried about it. Turning on your model, getting rid of the system, not worried about it. Gearing, your model may include an additional pinion gear. This is gears for maximum speed running on hard surfaces only. Okay, so I guess that's the high speed pinion gear. Water resistant electronics. Calibrating the speed control. I'm getting rid of the system anyway. The VXL is very similar as far as how to set it up and all that stuff. Okay, that's different language. So that is, yeah, that's basically it. Pretty simple. Been in RCs a long time. Just flip through it. Yeah, if this is your first model, definitely read it. I got some good info in there, especially if you're new to the hobby. And that's basically all that was in the bag. Let's see. Just look at this real quick. Is that screw fell out? In there. It's a 22. It's 22 tooth pinion. That's what they give you as this. This is the high speed. One cool thing about Traxxas models is they give you this. They also give you a illustrated parts breakdown booklet. So you got all of your parts and all the part numbers that coincide with that specific part. So, looking at this, it looks like the stock pinion gear is part number 1918, and that is an 18 tooth pinion, 48 pitch. So the 22 tooth pinion they also give with the car is also 48 pitch, and that part number is 2422. And it looks like they've got, you can go up to a 28 tooth pinion. So I guess I'm going to get rid of the stock pinion, because I'm putting the brushless system in, so it should be able to handle 22 tooth, which is fine. So yeah, that'll work. And then I guess last but not least, let's throw some batteries in the transmitter. I'm really not a fan of the TQ. Why couldn't you put a TQI in this kit? That's one of the things that actually was keeping me from buying this car, is the fact that they giving you a TQ system. Because I knew it was going to go brushless. I got to be very careful when I'm running 3S through this thing. Looking through the manual, I don't see any adjustments for dialing down your steering. Don't know if you can. I'll have to look closer. But that's basically it. Yep, powered up. Pretty straightforward. That's easy stuff. Did a few things to this car tonight after the unboxing. I installed the light kit. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna go around here. Check it out. It's pretty sharp. Yep. They actually have some other light buckets. It looks like you can have brake lights and reverse lights. I'll have to look into getting those too at some point. I'm pretty sure they're gonna come out with them. But Yeah, it looks really good. Yeah, it does. Look at that. That is a good looking car. Yes, it is. And as you can see, it's got a lot more power than stock. It's got a lot more power than stock. So we'll go over that real quick here. Alright, so you can kind of see there how I routed the LEDs. Kind of around there. And then up in there. Yeah, it turned out good. I like it. And of course, I dropped in the VXL system. I had a VXL fan laying around, so threw that on there too. Unplugged it though, because it's so noisy for this video. That way you can actually hear me talking and not hear the fan blowing. But yeah, got a 5,000 mAh 3S in it right now. I know for a fact these tires can't handle that power, so when I do run this, I'm probably not going to go much above 3/4 throttle, if that. Just gonna have fun with this car. Just like the option of having the runtime on that LiPo battery and having a little more punch. And I might just, we'll see. I might run it on training mode, 50% power too, and just see what kind of top speeds I'm getting on 3S with the brushless system on the training mode. Be interesting to see. So yeah, turned out really good. Yes, it did. It's a snug fit, but it does drop in there. I used some double-sided tape and some screws I had laying around and some nuts to kind of secure. I wanted both, so that's what I did there. Now I'm running the what am I running? I installed the 22 tooth pinion. It comes with I believe it comes with a 19 tooth pinion, so I installed the 22 tooth pinion as well, so we'll get a little more top end out of it as well by doing that. So yeah, so if you're interested, the part number for the light kit is 9380. There you go. And then the part number for the combo kit here for the ESC and brushless motor is TRA3350R. In case you all are thinking of doing this too. Well, I think that's going to do it for this video. Please like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Keep on RCing out there.